Hello again. Today I thought I would check out this old Yale, pretty old lock. The shackle does say Yale Towne MFG Company, made in USA. The key is, I don't think original, but it is a 6-pin lock. And the key, it works, but not at full depth. So when the key is in, it will not turn. If I pull out just slightly, right there, it will turn and open the shackle. So, anyway, just something interesting about this lock. To pick it, I am going to use top of the keyway. And I'm going to try the Peterson hook in 18,000ths. If I feel like I need to bully it, I might get the 25,000ths out. But we'll see. Alright, 1, springy, 2, 3, 3 fills, nothing, 5, 5 click, nothing on 6, back to 1. Click on 1 and 2 that time. I'm looking for 1 on 3. 4, nothing. 5. I feel like I'm on the warding at 5 back there. 5, 6, back to 1, 2, 3. Ooh. 6, 5. Nothing on 4. 3, nothing. 2, nothing. 1 is binding finally. There it is. So there it is. Old Yale Towne's padlock. Pretty interesting. Thanks for watching and happy picking.